hi guys, it's me, and this is my new 2010, end of 2010, updated bike check, I guess. So to start off with the front, I've got black ODI long neck grips, Odyssey Anra space bars, white Sabrosa stem, King Creek headset, raw We the People Everlast forks, pegs. I'm riding 4 pegs now. 1 titanium one, the rest are just regular steel. I've got both purple nitrous double shot wheels. See, with just regular nitrous hubs. I've got Odyssey Pith P-Light in the front, and just some random Kenda in the back. Hoffman Scarab EL frame, 2010 frame, drilled for gyro tabs. I've got a We the People seat that I bent and lit on fire and things. Shadow wedge pivotal post, and I cut the frame here. I think you can see it, yeah. So it's slammed. It's a little bit too slammed, but it doesn't matter that much. White Odyssey twisted PC pedals, stolen cranks, Eastern Medusa sprocket, and a really rusty chrome shadow chain. And I'll do the hub noise for you.